Hai, jumpa lagi di channel MPOK IMEY review. Yeah guys, in this really nice situation, I would like to review again a new Hot Wheels. But actually guys, I was bought a wrong one because actually I have it ready. So Rodger the last time that I bought is a blue one, but then yeah, because I really can't recognize and I really love the red color. That's why I just bought for two. Well, actually I already have the blue one. Look at this. Yeah, so we're not gonna review that much because we already reviewed last time and we already have the same things. And this one is number 133. Let me have a look first. Yeah, so actually they have blue, maybe white, and also black color. I think they have many different colors. Yeah, every style and every type of the Hot Wheels, they have different colors. But my sons really like the blue color and I really love red color. So this one for my son, the blue one, and this one is for me. So guys, look at this. It's just exactly the same. This is sport car. It's a different with Lamborghini actually. This one, let's look at this detail. This one is racing. Look at this one. And this also. Oh no, they have different. I think the blue one is more nicer than this one. Look at this. This one's racing. This one, I don't know what this is. I'm not really familiar with the automotive things. So guys, if you know what type of this wheels, so maybe you can tell me the Felloc. But this one is a sport one. This is really, I love it. This design is really cool. But I also really like the red one. I mean, like, it's a different. This is just exactly the same. This glasses is the blue color. So when the sun came through, I think it's gonna be more cool down. This one is a little bit darker. This one is a little bit dark, a black color. And what's different between? It's also, I think it's just the same. Everything is just the same. Just the difference only about the wheels and the glasses on the top. So this one is just have two seats only front for the drivers and also the co-driver. I mean, like, if you have a girlfriend that you would like ride with this car, it's gonna be super cool. It's very exciting. It's like you can bring your partner to be drifting. But I think it's really cool. This is really also very interesting, and it's also very emotional and a very shocking moment when you inside the car and your boyfriend or the person that sit next to you, it's gonna drifting you on the road. Wow, it's gonna be really, it's really cool. So teman-teman, ini saya beli, sebenarnya kenapa saya beli dua ya, karena yang biru itu kesukaan anak saya, jadi warnanya biru, dan yang merah adalah kesukaan saya tentunya. Dan ini memiliki perbedaan. Sebenarnya ini dua jenis Rodger 2.0 itu sama persis. Yang bedanya hanya di glassesnya guys. Jadi tutup di atasnya ini. Kalau yang biru ini biru, light blue ya. Kalau yang ini agak kehitaman, ya, warnanya hitam, ya. Jadi lebih tidak panas kalau misalkan terkena langsung sinar matahari ya guys ya. Jadi seperti itu. Jadi perbedaannya apalagi ini di peleknya guys. Di peleknya kalau yang ini seperti ini, mungkin agak kita kesinikan supaya lebih kelihatan jelas. Nah itu guys, beda peleknya. Jadi kalian suka yang mana? Bisa pilih ya guys. Wow, look at this side. Ini kelihatan benar-benar super cool guys. Jadi miniaturnya itu sangat keren ya. Jadi benar-benar walaupun ini harganya terhitung murah ya. Kayak saya bilang ini sangat murah sekali. Harga yang di atasnya masih juga lebih banyak guys. Tapi ini benar-benar bagus. Sangat bagus. Ini sangat bagus. Tuh guys. Tinggal kalian suka yang warna apa guys. Jadi tipe Rodger ini ada berbagai warna, berbagai macam warna. Jadi kalian bisa pilih sesuai dengan kesukaan warna apa ya yang kamu pingin beli ya guys ya. Jadi kita akan tes kecepatan mereka. Apakah mereka bisa berjalan lurus? Kita akan lihat guys. Oke, kita akan masing-masing dorong. Apakah dua-duanya bisa berjalan lurus atau tidak? Oh, mereka berbelok seiring arah guys. Tapi dua-duanya keren sekali, sangat-sangat keren. Tuh guys. Yes, let's bring the other car to another side. This is like just an amazing dreams that I have this type of the car like this guys. That I really would like to have one, but since the tragedy happened, big accident twice happened in my life, that I'm not able again to drive because it's very dangerous if I still drive. Every time that there's another car pass in front of my car, beside of my car, or my motorbike, I was already shocking. I mean, like my hands is shaking and my heart beating that really not normal. It's getting more faster than normally. So I'm really scared and I'm very afraid that I'm gonna got robbery again and also maybe some other accidents. That's why I decided to not drive again actually, since that accident happened on 2009 and also 2012. So it was a different story actually. So guys, we back to focus on this car. If you would like to buy this one, it's only just $3. Cukup 32.000 saja guys kalau beli di Surabaya, dan di sini sekitar 39.000. So guys, kita akan ketemu lagi di channel MPOK IMEY review selanjutnya. Saya akan mereview lagi Hot Wheels tentunya sampai dengan saya akan selesai sampai dengan 100 pieces koleksi Hot Wheels ya. Apakah kita akan bisa menyelesaikannya dalam kurun waktu yang tidak tentukan? Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel, because subscribe is for free. If you would like to leave your comment, maybe you have something that would like me to review, just leave your comment below. Buat teman-teman, terima kasih sudah nonton video saya. Jangan lupa like, comment, share, dan subscribe tentunya. Nyalakan juga lonceng notifikasinya supaya tidak ketinggalan video di channel MPOK IMEY yang selanjutnya. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ciao.